Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Eatstreet, local food delivery, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Eatstreet is a local food delivery app that helps users discover nearby restaurants and place orders for pickup or delivery. Available on both iOS and Android, the app supports hundreds of local eateries across the US and offers features like real-time order tracking, saved favorites, and exclusive promo codes for discounts. It's designed to make food ordering simple and affordable, with a focus on supporting local businesses. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Eatstreet's clean interface, quick ordering process, and accurate delivery updates. The ability to apply local coupons and save frequent orders makes it a convenient alternative to larger delivery platforms. Its focus on local restaurants is also a big plus for those who want to support small businesses. However, there are a few downsides. Availability can be limited depending on your city, and some users report occasional issues with delivery times or customer support responsiveness. Additionally, compared to larger apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats, Eatstreet's restaurant selection might be smaller in certain regions. In summary, the Eatstreet app may be worth using if you want an easy way to support local restaurants while enjoying food delivery and takeout savings. However, if you live outside its main service areas or prefer a wider restaurant selection, you might find other apps more convenient. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.